title niya?
Yung PSE, yung pang Drill Master po.
Alin?
Yung pang private.
Ayan, anong title?
PSE Be Confident.
Yeah!
Dora!
Sige!
Pero kang tawa.
Ano yan? Formal or junior?
Formal chapter with yung 4 position.
Oh, sige, sige.
Okay.
Napanood din.
Opo. Sir, nasa YouTube na yan, sir.
Nasa YouTube yan.
Opo.
Ay, mabuklas nga, ma'am.
Wala ka, kung sasabihin.
Ang title?
Ano po, trash talk.
Dali!
PSDB Confidence on Booster. I am a PSDB speaker. I have the training of a winner. I am good. I'll be better. Truly speaking, I'm a builder. When my teacher gives a call, I go in front of the hall. I speak and give my all. I always stand tall. I improve my pronunciation. I enhance my intonation. I also move my body when I speak before everybody. I listen to my CD. I do my homework diligently. I always practice at home, even when I am alone. I like extemporaneous speaking activities. I'm not afraid of the ideas. I embrace impromptu speaking. I also love emceeing. I learned the English language because it provides international linkage. It connects people and nations. It opens doors for my generation. I am a PSDB speaker. I am a PSDB speaker. I'll be a nation builder and a mover. Yes, I am confident and brave. With God's help, I'll be great. PSDB confident and home booster.
Pinuhin mo ang sinabi mo.
I'm awesome. Sir, kung yung sa mga private sectarian schools, yun po yung parang Drill Master, isa-isa po kami. Tapos, ako po yung na-awardan na
Yes.
PSCC awardee. Kasi nga po, yung pumunta po yung director ng PSCC nag-evaluate. Then ako yung pinag-sample. Lahat kami inisa-isa, tapos ako po yung nag-sample.
Wow!
Ayun po.